What's up, everyone? This is Thomas Donahue from the Drivers Apex, and I got a celebrity next to me. So why don't you introduce yourself?
Oh, Juan from Aesthetic Auto Spot. Pleasure to meet everyone.
All right, so what are we doing today? Tell us what we're doing today.
So we just finished up on some dries, blasting back there on an M635. Have the 911 up front, again, a paint enhancement, ceramic coating, and then some PPF. And number 2 for dries blasting is the 996 behind us.
So you're the go-to person for anything detail related, it sounds like. Is that what you're telling us?
The team is, yeah, absolutely. If you guys ever need anything down here in Tucson, whether it's corrections, coatings, paint protection film, or dries blasting, we got you covered, especially if it's BMW or Porsche. We're huge fans of those.
So I'm gonna flip the camera around. We're gonna put him on the spot real quick. We're gonna talk about this 6 Series real quick, okay? All right, so this 6 Series, let's talk about this 6 Series, right? This is your first dry ice car, right?
Yes, this is the first one that we've had in the shop since the whole system's been set up.
So is there like a learning curve to dry icing, or are you able to just hook it up and roll with it?
No, Marco from Coldjet, actually, when he delivered it, gave us a whole rundown of how to properly start it up, check, pressure test it, make sure everything's good to go, and just kind of deal with anything that could come up while we're dry ice blasting. But it is a pretty straightforward application. It just does have a lot of power requirements in terms of compressed air. So it definitely has a huge air compressor to run it.
So it sounds like Aesthetic Auto Spot, we need more people to visit you guys, right? For dry ice cleaning and PPF work.
Absolutely. I mean, from a business perspective, yeah. Who doesn't want more business? But at the end of the day, we truly look forward to working on these cars. And it's a fun time here with everyone. So
I agree.
Absolutely. The little red button on it is just like a safety, and then once you press that, you'll push air in. It's already on 2, and then right after, just give it like 2-3 seconds and start going.
That's cool. The owner lets the customer work on the car. That's so cool. You're doing a good job. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I've got the mic turned down, but this is Juan's first dry ice cleaning. All right, guys, I'm out of here. So how long did you guys spend on this 635, this Euro 635?
Just for the dry ice blasting?
Yeah.
So we are about 5.5 to 6 hours in right now.
Dang.
Another 6 to 8 hours left tomorrow.
Wow.
But we're playing it by ear. We're going to see how it goes. We wanted to get absolutely perfect.
Sweet. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. You've got a YouTube channel as well, so let's talk about it.
So just Aesthetic Auto Spa. We're a couple videos on there, but hopefully we're going to get some more on there.
All right, guys, so check them out. Got any comments, drop in the comment section and make sure you guys visit their shop, and I'll put a link in the description. See you guys.
Yep.